Hey everyone, so this is the current state of our dining room table because I was trying to go through all my goodies from PlannerJam and I had a hard time because I kept coming across this swap stuff and I didn't know if I should put it in my to donate to other people pile or but I felt like I should do something with them to keep it. So I had a spare little notebook. I just spent like an hour, probably maybe 2 hours, in making this cute little memory type notebook. It's not like the whole event, but it has all the little like swap things I received. People like trade little stickers or clips or whatever. So I made a cute little notebook. This is something I had in my stash. This came off of our table. This is this washi tape that we had got, and this that says PlannerJam actually came from we got these stickers, and one of them said PlannerJam 2, so I just cut it out. A lot of this is like just straight up scraps, things I had got from like packaging from the event or extra supplies from like the workshops and stuff. Look, it just got really fat. So I just want to do a quick little flip through. Let me get a better angle for you guys. So this was something someone made and traded. It's a cute little hand-painted flamingo clip. This is PlannerJam 2019. Someone else gave out these. I don't know what that does. It's like a die cut and a clear pocket thing. This is some of the paper that was from one of the workshops, and these are like extra stickers and die cuts from the workshops. This is a die cut from our table. We sat at a collectively Emily, and there was a little sticker. And I just wrote little notes. I had brought my sprockets, so we had printed out a picture of everyone at our table. Hey guys. And like honestly, like my handwriting is bad, but this was a quick project so I could get all my quick memory stuff put away so I could actually work on sorting through all this without worrying about throwing stuff away that I cared about. So this is about swaps, and then this is what I had passed out, and the back had my information and like my shop links and stuff. My printer died. It was very unhappy with all the printing I did, so I didn't make enough for everyone, but some of you may have got them. And this swap I loved from Diane Carey. She like hand drew and hand painted all these, and I thought they were gorgeous. I don't remember what came with that. Maybe a paper clip, but it's really cute. And then some washi tape, and I had just tucked one of the die cuts into the washi tape. And these were stickers from one of the freebie things we got. There's a little envelope, and it came with a super cute paper clip, and she's got her little stickers on there. Of course, I'm doing a video, so I can't tuck it back in. She had a gorgeous planner clip. Let me see if I can find it. Ooh. There's so many on here now. How cute is that? A little flamingo and a tassel. I'm pretty sure that's the one that came with this card. If it's not, I'm sorry. But if it's gone, it means I did something good with it. And then this was a little card from Karen, from Karen's Craft Room. And I had took some of the stickers that I had got from our table as part of our table like gift, because she had this cute little popcorn bucket, and it was full of, well, it's my makeshift trash can right now, but it was full of a bunch of cute little stuff. So I just put a little note about that. These were some die cuts, these two, from our table. And then this background is actually like part of a sticky notepad someone had gave me. It was part of the packaging. And then she had given out, Anna had given out some stickers, but they're somewhere around here. Little succulent stickers, but I kept those because I'm going to use those. This is more of that packaging from the Post-it note. I don't know who that gave this to me because they didn't have like their name on it or anything, but it was like a plastic baggie full of just like a bunch of stickers. So I had made like a little sticker frame to add a sticker frame on there. I didn't get a swap from her, but I love October Day and like all her stuff that she makes. So I had her business card, so I made a cute little page. This is also paper from the workshop, which is not really my style, so use up those scraps. This, if you see in the background, is that sticky note that I used all the packaging from. So I already started using the stickers. I got this, I don't know how to say it, Estrella stickers, and I think this is the sticker they gave us, but I didn't put it in the book because I'm going to use it. A little card. Did I glue it shut? No, I didn't. From one of my table mates. It was like a up and down card. I had to like cut it and rearrange it, but I think it worked okay. A little note about table mate gifts, because those don't fit in the book. And then I used one of the ribbons and just cut it shorter and glued it in there. I had got a notepad with these, but I'm keeping that because it's super cute. But I did put one of the pages in there. And she had given us this. I don't know if it was in our swag bag or if I had gotten it, but it went in there. And this is just like a cute PlannerJam thing. I also don't know if these were swag or if these were swaps, but they went in there too. She had a little flamingo brand that was super cute. And I can't remember what she gave out, but I do remember untying this right away because it was cute, whatever it was. And that's it. So I got this fat little book. I'm keeping it closed with this clip. I actually got 2 of these. These are from a swap, and they have, I don't know if you can see, little flamingos on it. So that's my quick makeshift little memory book for all my swap stuff. Hope you guys liked looking through it.